The 43rd annual convention of our great movement. There are some specific persons, members of our movement, most especially the members, body of founders, who stood on behalf of our movement to fight against the blackmail and lies that a well-known media organization carried out against us. We are going to present awards to these respected leaders of this movement. We'll start by like I said earlier on, we have respected leaders of this movement, most especially the members, body of founders, that stood against the lies and blackmail that a well-known media organization, the BBC, did, I think sometime late last year. We all know NBM of Africa has nothing to do with platters. NBM of Africa is not platters. So why the lies, why the blackmail? NBM of Africa, as we all know, is a humanitarian organization and a pan-African organization that promotes African culture. So why the lies, why the blackmail? What has NBM got to do with fraud? If an individual commits a crime, you should go after the individual. What has the organization or group has to do with activities done by individual? You are only denying us our fundamental human rights of association if you tend to do that. BBC, I think you should retrace your step and do the right thing. If you have a problem with anybody, go after the persons. You have the law. You can take the person to court. You can sue the person. Stop blackmailing this movement. BBC, you all know, has been a respected media house. But after that lies and blackmail, I don't think, they don't have any honor. They no longer have honor. So they should retrace their step. Meanwhile, I want to call on the chairman, body of founders, Comrade Ernest Amadasu, to come forth and receive this award. The second award for the day goes to Mr. Kemi Shitu, one of the secretaries of one of our zones. I think Apapa zone. Is Mr. Kemi Shitu present? If he's not here, is any member of Apapa zone present? Please come forth and receive this award on behalf of Mr. Kemi Shitu of your contributions to the growth of the movement. The third award goes to Mr. Eribo Nwata. Mr. Eribo Nwata is the Deputy President, NBM of Africa. Of excellency recognition of your contribution to the growth of the movement. The next award goes to Chief Tio Onwuka. Chief Tio Onwuka is a member body of founder. This is an award in recognition of your contribution to the growth of the movement. The next award goes to Chief Abdullah Razak Iyere of Ogwa. Chief Abdullah Razak Iyere of Ogwa was the former National President, NBM of Africa. This award of excellence is in recognition of your contribution to the growth of our great movement. Mr. Razak or Chief Razak, I say thank you and thank you very much. Jerry S. Ogbonge. This award of excellence is in recognition of your contribution to the growth of our dear movement. The next award of excellence goes to Mr. Oluwatosin DC. Mr. Oluwatosin DC is the PRO of our great movement. If he's not around, someone should quickly come forward to receive this award on his behalf. Next award of excellence goes to Engineer Ifeanyi Okali. Engineer Ifeanyi Okali is the MD CEO NBM TV. This award is in recognition of your contribution to the growth of our great movement, and is also the Chairman Council of Elders Umuahia Zone. The next award of excellence goes to Mr. Matthew Okafor. Mr. Matthew Okafor is a member of SD Zone. Is there anybody from South Africa? Or someone should quickly come forward to receive this award on behalf of Mr. Matthew Okafor. The next award of excellence goes to Barrister Kevin Abroko. Barrister Kevin Abroko is the National Legal Officer of our great movement. The next recipient to this award is Barrister Irogbe Isimeme. Barrister Irogbe Isimeme was the national president of our great movement and also the former National Council of Elders chairman, and presently also he is a member body of founders. Mr. Barrister Isimeme Irogbe, thank you very much. I want Engineer Emumo Uimu to quickly come forward to receive this award of excellence. Emumo Uimu is the regional president, South region of our great movement. If he's not around, I want the pretty wife of Engineer Emumo Uimu is around. Can you please step forward to receive this award on behalf of your body? This is an award of excellence in recognition of and contribution to the growth of our movement.
Thank you very much, New Black Movement. We are very grateful.
The next recipient to this award of excellence is Omoba Kenny Akanomoto. Omoba Kenny Akanomoto is the National Secretary of our great movement. This is an award of excellence in recognition of your contribution to the great movement. Engineer Ogoye Abdul Lawrence. Can someone step forward to receive this award on behalf of Engineer Ogoye? The next award goes to Mr. Nusa Idele Ogbonge. Mr. Nusa Idele Ogbonge is the MPCU TMC Television. This is an award of excellence in your recognition of your contribution to the growth of NBM of Africa. Thank you very much. Here to this award is Dr. Mayor Nwibuike. Dr. Mayor Nwibuike was the national president of NBM of Africa. This award of excellence is in recognition of your contribution to the growth of NBM of Africa. Thank you, Mr. Dr. Mayor. Honorable Efe Akokino. This award of excellence is in recognition of your contribution to the growth of NBM of Africa. Mr. Madike Chukuma. Chukuma is the zonal president of Lekki Zone. If he's not around, can somebody from Lekki Zone come and receive this award on his behalf? The next award goes to Chief Pascal Oge. Umelele, umelele, umelele. Can someone come forward to receive this award on behalf of Chief Pascal Oge? The next award of excellence goes to Mr. Anthony Onagino. Mr. Anthony Onagino is presently the Financial Secretary of our movement. Can someone step forward to receive this award on his behalf? Mr. Oye Chonam Ikechukwu. Mr. Oye Chonam Ikechukwu is a member body of NBM of Africa. This award is a recognition of the contribution to the growth of the movement. The next recipient of this award is Elder Jimmy Waje. Elder Jimmy Waje is a member body of NBM of Africa. This award of excellence is a recognition of the contributions to the growth of this movement. The next award goes to Engineer Austin Eduro. By records, Engineer Austin Eduro is the first national president NBM of Africa. If he's not here, can someone step forward to receive this award on his behalf? The next award goes to Dr. Esiko Josage. Dr. Esiko Josage is the pioneer chairman member body of founders NBM of Africa. This award is a recognition of your leadership, thoughtful guidance, wisdom and kindness to all. The next award goes to the National Chairman Council of Elders, NBM of Africa Worldwide, Barrister Tony Urukoya. Can someone step forward to receive this award on behalf of our SOE chairman? Finally, I'm the last recipient of this award. I call upon Honorable Felix Cooper to come and present this award. Honorable Felix Cooper is my predecessor, so I want him to do me this honor by giving me this award.
When the NBM said the last recipient is himself, my former chairman, Council of Elders said, you're giving yourself an award. I want to ask this house, does it deserve an award? So, on behalf of NBM worldwide, I'm presenting to you this award in recognition of your leadership, thoughtful guidance, wisdom and kindness to all.
The best is yet to come. I want to appreciate the medical team